Hey everyone, welcome back to today's best deals today. We're excited to review the Roborock Qrevo series Robot Vacuum and Mop, a cutting-edge cleaning solution that's designed to make your life easier. Meet the Roborock Qrevo series Robot Vacuum and Mop. Featuring 8,000 pascals HyperForce suction and advanced navigation technology. This robot vacuum is engineered to deliver unmatched cleaning performance, effortlessly capturing embedded dirt, stubborn debris, and pet hair. The Qrevo series comes with an all-in-one docking station that automatically empties dust, refills water, and washes and dries mopping pads. The docking station is designed for ultimate convenience, making it perfect for busy households. This robot vacuum features a tangle-free brush system, Reactive Tech obstacle avoidance, and dual spinning mops with 10 mm lift. The PreciSense LiDAR navigation system scans 360 degrees and creates detailed maps in real time for accurate navigation and efficient cleaning. The Qrevo series is perfect for homes with pets or hair, and its advanced features make it easy to keep your floors clean and tidy. With its 200 revolutions per minute spinning mops and 30 adjustable water levels, it can adapt to all floor types and scrub away tough stains. The Roborock Qrevo series Robot Vacuum and Mop is a game-changer for anyone who wants to keep their home clean without the hassle of manual vacuuming and mopping. Order now and experience the future of cleaning. Thanks for watching Channel Name. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews and tech content. Get yours now and start enjoying the convenience of automated cleaning. The Roborock Qrevo series Robot Vacuum and Mop is available now. Say goodbye to manual vacuuming and mopping, and hello to a cleaner, healthier home with the Roborock Qrevo series Robot Vacuum and Mop.